And we're back to learning Illustrator in the year day 19. Let me show you the arrangements. I've already mentioned it briefly in earlier tutorials, but I haven't yet specifically talked about it. You can see when we've got elements, for example, 3 rectangles, and we make them overlap, that there's a certain order. So the black in this case is behind the green behind the red. Therefore the red is also on top of the black. Then we create 2 more, and I've created the red one first and then the blue one. And if I make them overlap, the blue one is now on top. So whatever you create last will be on top in the hierarchy by default. If I create yet another one, you can see this on top of the red one. It's just a natural way Illustrator behaves. But we can manually adjust the arrangement after we've drawn our elements. And we can simply do that by right-clicking on objects. And then you find the arrange right here. And there are 4 main options: bring to front, bring forward, send backward, and send to back. Let us start with send to back on the red one. And you can see it. If I send it to back, it's now behind the green one. And it's also behind the black one, because send to back sends it exactly to the furthest position back that exists. So whatever you've got on your canvas, the red one will now be the lowest in this order. Let me show that on the green one. I right click, arrange, send to back, and it's now behind the red and the black one. So send to back is, you could say, the extreme, but there's also a step by step. Then when you position that, the black one is on top of both, and I use again right click, arrange. And this time I don't use send to back, but send backward. And this is basically just a step by step movement in the hierarchy backwards. So now it's behind the red, but still on top of the green. If I want to put it behind the green as well, I can go one step further back. So once again, right click, arrange, send backward. We show that for the red one. Send backward brings it behind the green, but on top of the black. And send backward once more brings it also behind the black one. Same way works for bring to front. So here's a general bring to front, which puts it to the top in the hierarchy. So the red one is now on top of it all. Now the black one. And there's also a bring forward. And this is then again the step by step moving forward in this hierarchy of the stacking order. It's an important feature to know. And it's also something that we're going to encounter time and time again as we progress through learning Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.